how to stop background processes in Windows 11. Now this can be really useful to go and speed up your computer and improve the overall performance. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things we need to do. So first, go and open up your start menu. You can then search for Task Manager and click on this window here. Now from this window, you'll see all of the background processes that are currently running on your computer. Now obviously you can just scroll through this list, and if there's a particular process you want to disable, you can just right click on this and press End Task. Now just be careful and make sure not to end a task that's important for your computer. Now, if you want to go and reduce or stop these background processes in general, then what you'll need to do is press Startup Apps on the left-hand side. And the first step is to go and disable all of your startup applications. So the more apps that run when you first turn on your computer, this will increase the background processes and slow down your PC. So as you can see here, most of mine are already disabled, but if there is an app that you want to disable, just right click on it and press the disable button. Now, once you've done that, we can close out of this window and then open up your start menu again, go and search for run and click on this window. Now type in msconfig and press enter. From this window, click on services and then check the box next to hide all Microsoft services. Now it's really important that you make sure you've checked this box. You can then press disable all and press apply and then go and press OK. Now once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, that will reduce the amount of background processes. Now, if you're having any kind of issue after going through these steps, then what you can do is just come back over to this services page and you can enable all of the services. And that's if you're having any issues with your computer after applying these steps.